How to remove text from video in VN app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove text from video in VN app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for people that do not know what VN is an video editing app and you can easily get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. It's completely free. So after you download it, you should notice that whenever you open up a project and you have a text in that video, it will come up in this frame or this overlap section where you have just overlapped the text in that video. So if you want to remove that text, all you have to do is select that text. You can tap on edit and just remove this completely, erase it, or simply tap on the delete button right here. If you tap on the delete button, you will notice that the text is now gone. And that's basically how you do it. That is how you remove text from video in VN app. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.